If you want to get the most out of your veggie garden and extend your cropping season, then here are my top tips.
Succession planting is the idea of several spaced out plantings so that you have a longer harvest season.
To make succession planting simple, grab your punnet of seedlings and pop them into your patch. But so that you know when to plant the next punnet of seedlings for that succession planting, have a look at the plant label. Now these cabbage say that they'll be ready to harvest in 11 to 14 weeks. So that means that I want to go and plant another punnet of the same cabbage in about 5 to 6 weeks' time.
If planting full punnets of seedlings is too much for your garden, then either plant what you need from the punnet and swap with a neighbour.
Hi!
Or look for these punnets with just one plant in them.
And the thing I love about these bigger punnets is it means that you can grow multiple crops of the one variety. Or perhaps you want to go and try something that you've never grown before. Brussels sprouts. Now I wonder if I can get the kids to eat these.
To get more from your veggie plants, look for varieties that produce more than just a single harvest. I love the sprouting broccolis like Bambino because these send out smaller side shoots. And this is a great tip too if you've only got limited space. Another great space-saving tip is to underplant longer growing crops like broccoli and cabbage with fast-growing leafy greens like rocket, lettuce and spinach.
So there you have it, successful succession planting.